Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas. Here we are with a new video of a triangle scarf with a C2C pattern, so corner to corner. It's very simple. It has chain stitches and double crochets. It's really nice and fluffy. It's really nice and light. This is wool from my Teddy haul. If you haven't seen that video, you can go and have a look at that. And yeah, how I did this, which wool I used, I'm gonna show you, like now. Okay. Have fun. Okay guys, so here we are with this really cute yarn. It's called Fairyland from Teddy. It's 150 grams and 370 meters. It was €4 and meant for size 3 to 4 crocheting hooks. I'm gonna actually do this with a size 6 crocheting hook. If you saw my other video, it was a little too small for me with a size 3 to 4 crocheting hooks. It's made out of 72% cotton, 28% polyacrylic. And yeah, you can see how really cute this color fade is here. It's like orange, pink, some light purples. Yeah, I think it's really cute. So I already pulled out the middle here to start from there. And so I'm gonna go to the beginning and I will start with some chain stitches here. And so here we go. And so I'm gonna do 6 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so then we go loop the thread around the hook and go back into the 4th. So we go back into the 3rd one from the beginning or the 4th one from the end. We do a double crochet, and into the last 2 ones here, I'm going to do 2 more double crochets. So number 2 and number 3. So with that, we have our first pack ready. And so you can see here how really nicely this works with the size 6 crocheting hook. And so we do another 6 chain stitches. Then we turn it all around and we loop it around and go back into the 4th stitch, or if you go from the beginning from where my thumb is right now, number 3. Okay, or 4 from the back side. And so we go into this one and do the double crochet, and into the other 2 that are left over we do the same thing. And another one. And with that, the second pack is ready. I am in the 2nd row, so we're gonna add another one. We go into the chain stitches here, and we do a slip stitch, and then we do 3 chain stitches. And we take a little more wool here. So 3 chain stitches we already did, and then we go here into or around the chain stitches, and we do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Most of the chain stitches are going to be around the chain stitches of the row before. Not really very often are we going to go into any stitches, just around. So here, these chain stitches that we have here on the side is where we're going to go with the next row. And so now we go with number 3. So we start again with 6 chain stitches. We turn it all around, and that's how every row will start actually. Oopsie, I have the thread here twice, it seems. Okay. I count again. Okay, so now it's 6. We turn it around, and then we go back into the 4th stitch from the hook, or the 3rd one from where we're working from. And we do 3 double crochets. Okay, so we're now in row number 3, so we're gonna go and do 3 of these packs. And then we go in next into these chain stitches here and do a slip stitch, and then do 3 chain stitches, and then go back in and do 3 double crochets. This is number 3. All right, so again here around these chain stitches here, 1 slip stitch, and then again 3 chain stitches and 3 double crochets. So we always do 3 chain stitches and then 3 double crochets. And then here we are at the end with row number 3. And so now we're going to start again with the 6 chain stitches. That's how every row will start. And then we turn it around, and then we have the 3 chain stitches and 3 double crochets per pack. We turn it around here and then start again and go back into the stitch here and do double crochet, then the next one into the next stitch, and into the next stitch again, another double crochet. So here another slip stitch, and then 3 chain stitches and 3 double crochets. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. A slip stitch and 3 chain stitches and 3 double crochets all around these chain stitches of the row before. Then another slip stitch and 3 chain stitches and 3 double crochets. This is number 3. All right, so here are we done with row number 4. This is basically how this works. So every row you have as many of these packs as the number of the rows. We have 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So they're always, kind of on top of each other. The uneven rows, they kind of point towards the left, and the even rows point towards the right. And you always have these, we always go around the chain stitches of the row before. And you can see it's really airy, it's really light, and super cozy. And so I have a little more wool left here, and I'm going to continue crocheting this for a little while longer, and I'm going to show you an update. Okay, so here's my next update. So here's my first real color fade. You can see, this color fade here, there's no little knots or anything like that, but you have like really slow, nice color fades, as you can see here. So from a light orange kind of to a light blue, and now you can really see what the pattern is going to look like. Okay, guys, so here we are, and the scarf has grown quite a bit longer. And so you can see the really, really nice color fades here. I think they look lovely. And you can see how much the scarf has been growing also. And so, the wider, obviously, the scarf is getting, the thinner are the rows, or the fewer rows we can do in the same color, obviously. And because it's going a lot, you can see it's about 150 centimeters on the long side. You can see you have these little zigzags here at the end. It's really, really cute. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could kind of shut them closed. But I actually think that this zigzag is really nice if you wanted it to be flat. But I think this is actually really cute. And thank you guys for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free, and you'll always be the first one to be informed about a new video. Please share this video with your friends, and see you next time.